Hey everyone. Having trouble getting Apple CarPlay to work with your Pioneer radio? You're not alone. CarPlay lets you seamlessly integrate your iPhone for navigation, music, and calls, but sometimes things go wrong. First, let's identify the problem. Is it completely dead, intermittently disconnecting, or displaying an error message like accessory not supported? Knowing this helps narrow down the fix. Check your iPhone's iOS version. It needs to be iOS 9 or later, but preferably the newest iOS 18.3. Also ensure Siri is enabled in your settings. Verify that your Pioneer radio is a compatible model, especially if it's an older unit. Newer Pioneer AVH and DMH series radios are typically wireless ready. Many older Pioneer models before 2019 may lack support and be the source of the issue. Wired CarPlay requires a good USB cable plugged into the correct port, while wireless needs iOS 17 Plus and compatible hardware. Key takeaways: identify the specific symptom first, check your iPhone, iOS, and Siri settings, confirm your Pioneer radio compatibility, and ensure you're using the proper connection method. All right, let's fix this. Start with the basics. Ensure your Lightning or USB-C cable isn't damaged. Try a different cable just to be sure. Next, restart both your iPhone and Pioneer radio. Sometimes a simple reboot does the trick. Then, update both your iPhone's iOS and your Pioneer radio's firmware. You can update the radio's firmware via Pioneer's website or app. This is crucial. After iOS 18 rollout, a lot of users reported issues that firmware updates resolved. If you're still stuck, reset your iPhone's network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. For wireless CarPlay, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and try pairing again. As a last resort, you can factory reset your Pioneer radio, but remember to back up any settings first. If you tried everything and are still hitting a wall, and you're using an older Pioneer model, it might be time to consider a newer, compatible radio with wireless CarPlay support. Remember, 90% of CarPlay issues are user-fixable, so keep trying, and good luck.